How to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. Making thumbnails for YouTube videos enhances visual appeal, increases click-through rates, and attracts more viewers to your content. So I'm here right now and about to upload one of our video here, and in order for me to continue with this one, I need to create a thumbnail. Now what I need to do in order to create a thumbnail is use TubeBuddy. So this is actually one of TubeBuddy's built-in tools, and I use this in order to create the thumbnails that we have here in this channel. Now I'm going to go ahead and just click this one here in order to start the process, and after that I can just go ahead and click this one here in order to find some still frame from the videos. So that is what I'm gonna be doing for now. So I'm just going to find here something. Alright, so just this one for example, I'm gonna try to use the basic one here, and then you can just go ahead and click continue here, and I'm going to try to add something in here, for example an image. So I want to add this one. Okay, I want to try to put it somewhere in here. Let's make it a bit bigger, shall we? Okay, there you go. So I'm going to put it there. So this is an indication that we are using this for Streamlabs. And another thing is a shape. I'm going to put a shape right here at the other side. So the reason why we're doing that is because this is where we want to put our text. Okay. Alright, so this is how I normally do it here in our channel, and I'm going to choose white, or yeah, I think white is going to be better this time. Okay, yeah, there we go. I think that looks very clean. And then I'm going to add a text here. Now you have different fonts here to choose from, so just try to experiment which one you're going to like. So for example, in my case here, the title of this video is going to be this one here, best settings for streaming. So that is what I'm going to be putting in here. And I want something that can immediately catch the attention of people. So I'm going to choose blue here, for example. Best. I'm going to click this one. Right. I'm going to add it in here. Alright, there you go. You need to click this right away and then try to click text once again. Forgot about that. Best settings. Alright, add a layer. Now this is the tricky part. Now if you see something like this, for example like text are not fitting, you can just go ahead and change this one. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to choose something here like Anton, for example. There you go. We didn't see the font size, but it automatically fits in there, so that's really amazing. Now let's adjust this one. Let's make it a bit bigger. Alright, and then we're going to add one last word. Alright, let's use Anton once again because this is a long word. Alright, and then we're going to adjust. Now as you can see, the fonts are all blue. We're going to change that one. We're going to put something as the most important one. For example, the most important here is like best settings. However, we're just going to put blue on best, and then we're going to change the others to black, just like so. Alright, there you go. So we highlighted the word best by changing its color to the others, and we also highlighted it by not having the same font as the other text here. And yeah, once you're ready, you can just go ahead and click continue. Alright, as you can see, I think that really looks very good. I'm just going to go ahead and click save and publish, and then you sure you want to publish this thumbnail, go ahead and click OK. And we're going to wait for this one. Alright, so it says here that thumbnail successfully published. Due to browser and YouTube caching, it may take a moment, but yeah, if you want to download it, you can just go ahead and upgrade your license, and we're going to click next this time. Alright, there you go. So yes, congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. These tools from TubeBuddy aren't just features, they're your secret weapons for growing your YouTube channel. Dive in, explore, and watch your channel soar to new heights with TubeBuddy. Click that link in the description box and the comment section below to grant yourself some discount in TubeBuddy. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if it helps you out.